Now that I'm here, breaking my relationship with time and space, watching my life through the milky glasses of a window. Now it all becomes so clear. If I had the opportunity to smell the enchanted wind of a spring flower, I would take a deep breath to relax. If I had the chance to get the tingling emotion of warm white sea sand slipping through my fingers, I would hold on to the feeling. If I could see the pure and carefree smile of a child as the original nature of honesty, it would be so refreshing being able to respond. If I could hear the greatest sound, the silence of forest in the early morning, just interrupted and upvalued by the lonely call of a bird, I would answer. If I could have my body back to be reloaded by a sip of crystal clear water, water which is not polluted by chemical industry, I could taste the freshness of the unspoiled nature. Now that I'm here, breaking my relationship with time and space, watching my life through the clear glasses of a window, I get aware of the small things, which are least the greatest. I left my life, my physical form of life behind. I realized my blunted and senseless way of life. I should have lived my life much more conscious.